What's going on, guys? This is AP. Welcome to our second tutorials on tools. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about some of the tools that we're going to use in terms of running our WordPress on our local computer. So the first software that we're going to talk about is Xampp. Xampp acts as a server. It is a server. I think, let me just grab something. It says Xampp is a free open source platform server. So this is a server that we're going to use on our local computer. So you just Google Xampp, then you just click on the download and it'll lead you to this page. When you get onto this page, choose your operating system if you want to use for Windows, if you want to use for Linux, or you want to use for Windows 10. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to download as in Xampp for iOS 10, and I've already downloaded that, and I'm ready to do the installation. And also the other thing, after you download it, you have to download. I'm going to add these links in the description, and so that you could follow along with the links. And you just have to download also this Wordpress installer, and you choose your operating system, then you download. I think in a couple of years, I think it was in 2013 or 2012, where we used to download WordPress alone. Then you have to unzip it, and it put you into your local host file and also those kind of things. But this, maybe you're already familiar with those steps. This software like I don't know really how to pronounce it. It's a Bitnami or whatever it is, whatever word it is. It makes the process very much easier, because you just install your WordPress as if you're just installing a software, which is very easier to, as in the steps are very easy to follow along than all the old way how we used to do it. So you could just follow along on the links. I'm going to add these links in the description, and you could just follow along. If you have any problem, if you face any problems, just let me know in the comment section. I could guide you. Then whenever I'm free, I'll guide you on the steps and help you out. And also, I've also added some social media links. If you just happen, then maybe you can just get in touch on our social media, and also my WhatsApp number. I've already added that on the description. And I think briefly that's it for the tools. And also, this software also runs, just to find out, it runs on Windows. It also runs on Linux. So if you're a Linux user, it also runs it. It also runs on the operating system. Okay, guys, this is it for our tools. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm just gonna run it up. I'm talking too much. Okay, guys, see you in the next one.